Hi everybody, this is Kelly with campaddict.com. We're here today to talk about a problem that happens when you have a travel trailer and you have your hitch attached to your vehicle. Now that play is not a good thing because that's going to start prematurely wearing down your parts. So you can actually get something called a StowAway Hitch Tightener. It's a simple little device. Top part goes over. Hitch tightener goes underneath. And then you have two washers put underneath, and then you bolt it on if it cooperates. Ta-da! The other two on, get that bolt on. You definitely want to tighten this down very good, or it really defeats the purpose. So, ta-da! I'll show you the lovely effect of what this does in just a second. I'm not going to tighten it way down right now. Now watch what happens. They're not tightening enough. Still moving. So what's the deal?
Tighten it more.
Okay. Only Marshall has this. I don't have it. So that just goes to show you what happens when you don't tighten it down enough. Okay, try again. Well, it's still moving. Is it not tight enough? Okay, so before I didn't tighten it down quite enough, so I'm going to tighten her down a lot more. Who says women can't do this? You chicks can do this. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. So it's going to eliminate all the play that goes in here. Marshall says this is very noisy without it. And of course, premature wear and tear is going to be eliminated. So that's why we highly recommend getting one of these little hitch tighteners. Thanks, guys.
1, 2, 3.